morning, welcome to Cleaning is My Therapy. Today I've got a huge grocery haul for you guys. We're going to get into this grocery haul. So this first section I'm going to show you is the first batch, and then I'll get all this moved out of the way, and then I will get the second batch, which is like all of my meats and frozen stuff. I went last night and I didn't get home until late, and I just stuck everything in the fridge, and whatever was frozen I just dropped it in the freezer, and like I'll just deal with this when I get up in the morning. So I got my husband and the kids off to school and work, so now it is just time to get in putting all these groceries away, and y'all, it is a lot. So we're gonna get it. So I got those little snacks for my husband's lunch, and these, they were $24.99, and it's a 24 piece, and it's a glass set, which I am loving. And I got some Finish and dish tabs, Pine Sol, freezer bags because I got meats to get put up, some light bulbs, and then I found this. So I wanted to try it, the Clorox disinfecting. And then I got some diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, black beans, green beans, instant potatoes for the kids when they want to make dinner and cook, pancake mix, mac and cheese, corn. The Red Lobster bread is just really good. Baked beans, rice, chicken broth, brownies, Velveeta cheese, pineapples, and these little pineapple spears are really good. Minced garlic I go through so much, and some Vienna sausages. Those are my husband's and my daughter's. I do not like those. And cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup, spaghetti sauce, Alfredo sauce, potatoes. So that is all for that little beginning grocery haul. So I'm gonna get all this moved out of my way, and I am going to bring out all the other stuff. And they didn't have a lot of meats. I like going there to get bulk items and everything, and get meats from there. I love getting my meats from there. But this time they just did not have no meats. And so I got what I could get, and what it looked good, and what they kind of had. So I'm gonna get this moved out of the way, and then I'm gonna get the meats out, and I will give you guys a little haul of the meats. So I got these biscuits because I'm gonna make breakfast biscuits for the kids. I got 2 packs of chicken breast, and they were $15.55 for that one, $12.82 for this one. And chicken legs this was actually not bad. It was $5.17 for the chicken legs, and then the wings were $17.79. Not too terribly bad, but. And then pork chops, they were $24.05 for those. And then for the beef chuck roast was $28.06. And then I got bacon, which is 3 packs in there. And with my bacon, I do cut those in half, and I get like 6 breakfasts out of it. And then I just got some cheese, block cheese, and some Jimmy Dean sausage. If it ain't Jimmy Dean, I don't want it. I prefer Jimmy Dean sausage, it's the best. Ham and peppers. Now my peppers I will get diced up here in a little bit, and I freeze them because we don't go through that quick. Some cinnamon rolls, crescent rolls, orange juice, and two things of hamburger meat, which they were $14.69 for both of them. That's how much they were a piece for like this little slab. Some shrimp and sour cream. That's it. And that's it. Because they didn't have a lot to choose from for meats. And some of it was just really overpriced. So I need to go to Walmart or Berkshire's. I'll probably just go to Walmart. Walmart's got a little bit better deals on their meats. But I need to look, because if Berkshire's is having a sale, which I think they're having their buy one get one for a penny, which is awesome when they do that for like with your meats and stuff. Like a selective meats will be buy one get one for a penny, which is freaking awesome because you save so much. But so I'm just going to stop talking, and I am going.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
Now I'm just gonna get all the meats separated and get them all put away. And then once I get all this done, and then I've got a bunch of peppers to chop up and get separated.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
So I was just working on getting all of my meats divided up, getting the chicken and then the pork chops and then the chuck roast. I freeze half of that, and then the other half I will chop that up in little bite-sized pieces because I had planned on making beef tips and rice and gravy one night for dinner, but now I'm just going to get them dropped into the freezer, and I really need to organize my deep freezer just so it is a little bit more organized. But I do want to get one of those stand-up deep freezers because I just feel like I'd be able to see more and find more of what I want to cook and when I'm planning out our meals. So that is something I do eventually want to get. But now I'm just getting the pork chops divided up and getting ready to get this beef tips chopped up.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, close.
So this is the new Clorox disinfectant that I got, and it says to let it sit for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for it to disinfect properly. And I just got done chopping up a bunch of meats and putting meats away, so I just got done spraying the counter. I'm gonna wait the 10 minutes it says and come back and wipe it down.
Right now I'm standing in a corner, I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too.
So I didn't have no vegetable cleaner, so I just used 2 cups full of vinegar. It works just the same. So I'm just going to get all my peppers washed up. I'm just going to let them sit here and soak and get all that wax build up and whatever they spray on them. Get that off. And then I'm going to get them chopped up. But I don't, y'all, so it took me 2 hours to chop up all of these peppers. And my husband had called me when he was at lunch, and he was asking what I was doing, and I told him I had just got done chopping up all those peppers. Been chopping for like 2 hours. I don't show me chopping peppers for 2 hours, but that's how long it took me to get them chopped up. And then he reminded me that I have a food processor that I could have just dropped them in and chopped them up. I have all these kitchen gadgets, and I don't even use half of them because they're just in the cabinet, stored away, and I forget about them. So just here's your friendly reminder. If you guys have a food processor and you got a lot of peppers you want to get chopped up and freeze, or onions, make sure y'all grab it out and chop up your peppers and onions that way. It's a lot easier than sitting here for 2 hours chopping. Okay, so my camera died while I was chopping up all these peppers. So Now I'm just going to toss them into this one just so I can mix them up. So I didn't have a bowl big enough to put all these peppers in just so I can get them mixed up. So I put them in my strainer just to get them mixed up. And then I'm going to grab some little freezer bags and I'm just going to divide it up. And after I did this, then I just poured, I didn't show it, but I poured it all back in the bowl because instead of like doing it by like 2 or 3 spoonfuls, I just grabbed me a measuring cup and just did a cup of peppers. And then I just put them in the freezer. I got a total of 12.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line.
So I had found some can organizers on Amazon that I want to get, and they're stackable. They're like a hard plastic. I am going to get those here pretty soon because this is just not functional. Tons of wasted space. I really don't like that. And I was trying to figure out how I can put like little hooks in there so I can put like a shelf on there so I can utilize more space because, I mean, once I get this stuff in there, I've got tons of wasted space at the top. So it's just not real functional. So
Oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
So I always keep a lot of Rotel on hand because I use a lot of it for dips and other recipes. So I always like to keep it on stock, especially there for a while. It got to where I could not find it nowhere. So now it's like when I do find it and I can get it by the case from Sam's Club, I will buy it and just stock up. And I also like to keep a lot of cream of chicken on hand and cream of mushroom on hand because I like to use those for casseroles and a few other recipes that may call for it. So I like to keep that stuff stocked up and always on hand. I'm sorry, the dogs are playing.
Oh, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And also Tuesday, my Easter Decorate With Me is going up at 7 a.m. And I have tons of other videos coming up. I've got so much planned and it's finally starting to warm up. So here pretty soon, I am going to be tackling my back patio. I want to get out there and just get it cleaned, pressure washed, the backside of our house, and just get it ready for summer and to enjoy the outside. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope y'all subscribe and keep coming back because I do have tons that's coming up. And I hope you guys have a good Saturday and a wonderful Tuesday. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.